Is your roof overgrown with moss? Is it badly stained with algae? At AAA Action Fast Services, our roof shampoo cleaning system is for you. Our patented, environmentally safe roof pre-treatment solution will loosen moss, algae, lichen, and dirt so that our roof shampoo cleaning disc can thoroughly clean your roof and bring it back to a new look. Whether it's on the market, in need of a fresh new look, or if your business needs a clean appearance, we will remove the discoloration on your roof that cannot be undone by hand. The roof shampoo system is preventative maintenance at its best. It is important that you maintain your roof so that any of the previously mentioned growths do not cause any further damage to your home or business. When you call this number, it is essential that we inspect your roof with a credible, free estimate to ensure that you get the right job that is needed for your home or business. Call today at 971-570-3712 for your free estimate.